Hello, what's going on, guys and girls? Thank you for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe button. I'm in a new program called Cash Building Unlimited, and it's a great program to be in. I can show you some stuff that they have. When you get in your package, they give you this thing right here. To get order some more postcards. It's just the levels you can get in. I came in level 2, and a couple of names they gave you to order your leads, and the order form where you got your ID and with face, and you can order names and postcard on this one. So yeah, here's the postcard I've been using, and tell you where to get it from with my ID stuff, my name and stuff. Great postcards. You could do it offline or online. And these are the leads that came in. 1,000 leads right here.